Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to add breakout rooms in Google Meet. So first, you just have to open a meeting or conference. So let's just tap the start an instant meeting right here. Now you have to wait for a couple of seconds. And if someone wants to join to your conference or meeting, then you will be notified. And all you have to do is to accept them. You can copy this link, paste, or send it to whoever you want to join to your meeting. So to go and look for breakout, you have to click this icon right here and you should see that breakout feature on the right side. So all you have to do is to click that one, or you can go to add-ons and search for that breakout here. Tap this plus icon and then search for breakout. However, if you can't see that feature right here, or if it's not appearing, then it only means that this one is not for free and you need to upgrade your Google to Google Premium. So as you can see, if you have added or if you have upgraded your plan, then you will see that breakout feature right away. So if you go to Google Help or Google Support, you will see here the instructions or information, more information about this Google Breakout. So as you can see here, even if I go to this three dots or go back again or refresh or reload, I still can see that feature because I am not upgraded to premium. Okay, so it only means that you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to have this feature. Even if you log out or uninstall and reinstall your Google Meet, you can see that right here. So if you go to Google Support, as what I've mentioned earlier, you will see here the instructions, the eligibility, or who can join a breakout room. So you will see here more information. Once you have upgraded your Google to Premium, then you can use that one and then you can go to Google Support to see more information about this. Now, as you can see, is this for free? No, it's not. So you have to upgrade your subscription in order for you to use this breakout feature here in Google. But this is how easy it is to locate or look for that breakout feature. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.